In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up social trading on your pocket option account. If you've ever been curious about copying trades from successful investors but weren't quite sure how to get started, you're in the right place. We'll go through each step with a clear explanation to ensure you're ready to dive into social trading confidently. To begin, you'll first need to log into your pocket option account and head over to your dashboard. If you're not already familiar with this, the dashboard is essentially your home base on pocket option. It's where you'll find all the tools and information you need for trading. From the dashboard, look towards the right-hand side of your screen. There you'll see an option called Social Trading. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you've entered the world of social trading. This is where you can explore other traders' profiles and performance. Take your time here. Browse through the available users and examine their trading history if you're interested. The idea is to find individuals whose trading style and success rate align with your own investment goals. Once you find a trader you want to copy, click on their profile. On the next page, you'll find options that allow you to customize how you want to replicate their trades. This is where it gets interesting. The settings you'll need to adjust will include things like copy in proportion, stop balance, and minimum and maximum copy trade amount. Copy in proportion allows you to mirror the trader's trades based on the size of your account, so you're not overextending yourself. The stop balance feature is a safety net. It's the amount you determine as your limit to prevent further losses. It's a great way to manage risk. The minimum and maximum copy trade amount settings are simply the boundaries you set for each copied trade. Adjust these settings based on your comfort level with risk and your budget. After you've configured all the settings to your satisfaction, take a moment to review everything. It's crucial to ensure that all your preferences are correctly in place before moving forward. Once you feel everything looks good and aligns with your trading strategy and risk tolerance, you're ready for the final step. Confirm your choices, and congratulations! You're all set up to start copying trades. It's really that simple. By using pocket options social trading, you can potentially capitalize on the strategies of seasoned traders, all while learning and observing how they operate. With each trade, you'll gain valuable insights that could enhance your own trading skills over time. Just remember to monitor your settings and adjust them as needed for your personal risk tolerance and financial objectives. So, there you have it, a straightforward path to engaging with social trading on Pocket Option. Dive in, explore, and happy trading.